Fall has arrived, it's time for tones and textures, and that's right, today we'll go over very quickly the Richie Lee Collection Fall Winter 2022 wool sweatpants.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young.
Hello everybody, it's your girl TJ back, another video on Talks with TJ, and another thing that arrived while I was away, the Richie Lee Collection Fall Winter 2022 wool trousers or joggers, however you would like to pretty much categorize them. Point blank period, they're a very warm pair of pants for you to wear this fall and winter season. It does have that hidden zipper at the bottom hem, which is really nice to customize how these pants will fall on the top of shoes. So I just want to go over those really quick. And for size reference, I'm 5'6". I take a medium in all of the Richie Lee Collection bottoms just to account for, listen, your girl not skipping leg day, so it just makes it more comfortable for a relaxed fit. I will say this, had I gone with a small, they would have actually just been tighter than I would have personally liked them to have been. So yeah, for the video, you guys will see me try on a size medium. For size reference again, I'm 5'6". I wear a size medium in all Richie Lee Collection bottoms. No different here with the wool warm-up pants. In terms of fit, I'm really glad I went with a size medium. I think a small would have been just a little bit more restrictive than I would like for sweatpants, and these are rather warm, so they are not for spring. I think these are perfect for fall and winter as we've seen the seasons change and the cooler weather certainly come in. As you can see on the left in the middle, I unzipped the bottom for the warm-up pants so they fall, at least I think, beautifully on top of the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 slate. And on the right, these are not the wool warm-up pants, but I just wanted you guys to see the wool jacket next to the actual pants since they are pretty much the same material. And that's it, another pair of sweats for the fall winter season. It's that time of year, sweatpants, hoodies, crew necks, knits, layers, flannels, denim, bomber jackets, any and everything you can think of that's amazing about fashion, it happens in fall, at least in my personal subjective opinion, because fashion is subjective, but I definitely still feel I'm right. Looking at all of the jackets and flannels I've accumulated, I really need to make it a point to wear all of these, as I just added like 2 different bomber jackets. This is what happens when you go home and you find things that you're like, hey, you're like Denzel from Round the Way. I'm leaving here with something, is essentially what I said to my mom as I found like 2 bomber jackets. So this one and then another one. And yeah, I have zero regrets or apologies for it. So again, go ahead, comment your thoughts below if you picked up the wool pants. I am just curious to know your thoughts on those. I still think the wool jacket may or may not be my favorite item from that drop, just because it's pretty amazing, and the ripstop cargos, which I wore while away traveling. But I appreciate you guys for always tuning in to any and all videos. If you're not already subscribed, I really say this, but go ahead, hit the subscribe button. That way you stay up to date on everything. Be sure to comment your thoughts. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.